Hello everyone. I just wanted to take a break and shoot a short video because I was asked what weld aids / cleaners I use in my shop to keep my equipment functioning at the level it should. So I pulled these real quick. These are what I use on a daily basis. Just some Amazon products. Nozzle dip, just the blue, any type will do. This is kind of more like a hair gel kind of a consistency, where this is a solid. And then on the fab table, I like to use the Weld Clean. I just put it in a cheap spray bottle and it just goes on like that, and then all your splatter doesn't stick and you just wipe it clean. For the tips and such, and tight to reach places, especially on stainless steel and doing tanks and things like that, not just your A36 steel. I like to use the spray on, and it's a simple, and then it's just a wipe clean. So I wanted to show some examples of how it works and the way I do it, and let's just take some nozzle dip and some weld aid. So here we have a Miller 251 with the spool gun. It's a common shop tool. As you see, I didn't clean anything when I put it away, which is bad on me, but makes a great example for this video. And then one thing I also saw an apprentice fighting the other day was the tip style. So this is a twist off, which is like the newer Lincoln guns and some of the Tweco designs, but I'll cover that in another video. But basically that comes off, it's dirty. MIG plier guns, priceless. Pick those up on Amazon. Nothing's been on, so that's why I get away with wearing rubber gloves. Scrape it clean. So here's another shot. See if we can see how dirty it is. And it just falls right off. It's a great product. Once the gun gets hot, I like to take it off and then just do a coat and then just get a slime on there. And then thread that back on the gun and it's ready to go. I get these off of Amazon as well, just a little stainless steel wire brush. Here's the MIG gun. So it's always good to know what equipment you have, because you may break it unintentionally just trying to do maintenance. So this is a Tweco style, and it's just a pull off. Sorry about that, it's hard to hold the camera and do everything that I need to do. So again, just sweep the inside, get it as clean as you can, put some weld aid on here. Cleans it right up. And if you need to, you can get a little wire brush in there. And then also on your MIG pliers. Everything has a purpose on MIG pliers. I really suggest getting a pair if you're just starting out. That's for your tip, your other consumables, and they're just standard clockwise, counterclockwise for taking them on and off. And this is your standard Tweeko gun. You'll learn the brands as you go, and then their nuances. And then I like to use the wire brush for getting around those little ports. And then see the difference? Really getting those clean. Because every little bit makes a difference when you're doing precision work. And then with this weld aid, it really just cleans it up really nice. And then again, I take the tip, just do a little, and then once you get rolling and the tip gets hot, then you can just do a direct dunk, hit your shielding gas, and then snip the end. And then this just pushes on, and there you go, you're ready to go. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks.